Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted on YouTube and also been a really long time since I posted anything about videography. Well, this video today is about the Insta360 Flow phone stabilizer. Now you probably think it's another review. I'm sure you've seen 20 plus reviews, but really this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use the Deep Tracking 3.0 feature in the native camera app. That way you can use it with cinematic mode and film yourself. And you can even use the same feature to be able to use Deep Track 3.0 in Instagram, TikTok, FaceTime, Zoom, whatever camera app, as long as you are using it on a person. So let me show you how I did this. All right, so first step is to open up the Insta360 app and connect it to the phone, obviously. And then you're gonna go over to live mode and you're gonna do start broadcast. And then you flip over to a different app, whatever you want to use. In this case, I was using cinematic mode on the iPhone 13. So now that I'm in position, what you do is press the trigger button once while the back camera is facing you. And it's gonna do a funny little dance here where it goes up, down, left, right, and make a beep noise. So now that it's done tracking me or setting that up, as you can see, it is tracking me. All right, well, I hope that helps you guys. That's basically why I'm keeping the stabilizer. All the other stabilizers I got, I returned them or sold them because you're limited to using their app. The Insta360 app is awesome, but I really just like being able to have the freedom and use this for cinematic mode and whatever else. So yeah, comment below if you guys found this helpful. Subscribe. I have a new YouTube channel I'm making just for dentistry stuff. That's probably thinking, why am I wearing the scrub cap? I'm a dentist, so all my focus is gonna be on that channel coming up. All right, see you guys.